Kia ora tamariki mā, ko whaia Nicky ahau, and let's feed the stars of Matariki by making them a hautapu with all their favourite kai. Are you ready?
Let's get kai for a hautapu. Kina ea, mutton, bird and kumara too. Grab your whānau and cook that kai when the food gets hot. Let the steam rise all the way to Matariki. Let's get kai for a hautapu. Kina ea, mutton, bird and kumara too. Grab your whānau and cook that kai when the food gets hot. Let the steam rise. There it goes, feeding the stars. Let's get kai for a hautapu. Kina ea, mutton, bird and kumara too. Grab your whānau and cook that kai when the food gets hot. Let the steam rise. How about we try some different food? Let's get kai for a hautapu. Pippies, trout, chicken and potato too. Grab your whānau and cook that kai when the food gets hot. Let the steam rise. What else can we find, whānau? Let's get kai for a